Thank you so much for inviting me here. My name is Mamotake Matekane. I come from Organica Global Brands. I'm the Chief of Operations there, but also from Matekane Group of Companies. At Matekane Group of Companies, we are under different industries: mining, hospitality, property development, farming, and many other things. But mostly, I'm happy because I'm here to represent my country. Lesotho is beautiful. We call it the kingdom in the sky. It's beautiful because we have beautiful mountains, we have the cleanest water, we have the biggest diamonds. Most recently, I'm very excited to tell you that we discovered a diamond that is worth 11,000 US dollars per carat. That is so exciting. But other than those diamonds that we mine, we also have what we call the green diamond. And the green diamond for us is the cannabis. Because of the water that I explained that is very pure, and the environment, we have the best cannabis coming out of our country. So my company, Organica Global Brands, is actually focused more on cannabis. We do cannabis and hemp. So what we do is also explore and manufacture from cultivation to extraction to processing and packaging of products based on cannabis and other herbal products. As mentioned, the soil is full of natural, very organic, so we produce the best things. So, but other than that, what attracted us to come to the Expo 2020, we think is the biggest opportunity we've ever received. It's a global platform where we can now present to the world what Lesotho can offer. We have many businesses. We have, like any country, clusters in terms of businesses. We have your micro businesses, which is your small and medium enterprises. We have also corporates, big corporates. And what we are saying is that we believe in our country so much that we can also invest, but we invite the whole world to invest. I was telling a global roundtable yesterday that it is so exciting because ever since I got here, I've been so busy, I've not been able to sleep. And every time I try to sleep, I dream of a Dubai in Lesotho. So we invite investors in Dubai, in the UAE, to actually come and recreate the beautiful city that we have seen. You can recreate it in Lesotho. We don't mind. We are kingdoms, both of us, so we can recreate what you have here in Lesotho. But other than that, we have so many other sectors that still need to be tapped into. For example, infrastructure. We have met companies that are saying, please invite us into your country so that we can develop your infrastructure for buildings, for transportation, for road construction, for property development. So we are ready and willing to start doing that. And other than that, we also have realized that Lesotho is a country that is right at the center of South Africa, but we are the highest. So that is an advantage for us. That's why we have the purest water, the purest air, and all that. So being right in the center of South Africa, this means that we can urbanize Lesotho for connectivity. So we can connect to all the SADC regional countries for the UAE to actually be centered in Africa, in Lesotho. So we invite the UAE to invest in us for an airport. So that airport can do maintenance. We can do your maintenance in Africa right there. You can do all the connectivity right there. And for business to also spread in the south of Africa and to the rest of Africa, you can be centralized there. So what we are doing here is inviting everyone to come and view the beauty that we have, because we have the beauty and we have the opportunities. But we are very happy to be here.